So I just wanted to provide a quick overview. I've updated the sales rep home screen. So when you come in, home screen, and then when you come over here and you click on these dots, make sure your app is picked. So we have the master one, and then yours will be Northern Alberta, Southern Alberta, and I call the other one the Prairies. And then so once I pick that app, it's now a collection of the objects that I'm going to use on a regular basis. And so when we come down, we take a look at this. This is a summary of my visits last 90 days. So this is the kind of thing that we want to see, upward moving to the right. At any given time, I can come over to the bottom left and I can say I want to view this particular report. And then once the report comes up, I now have my summary. So here I'm logged in as Brian. His summary. He can come over here to this filter up in the top right hand corner, and then he could change this site visit date, and then instead of last 90 days he can scroll down and pick a date. In this case I'll go last 7, and then apply, and now I'm going to just see the data associated to the last 7 days. If we look at if I come back to the home screen, I've got it by city, kind of broken down by the appointments he does per city, and then also by contact. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to view this particular report, and I want to make sure that everybody is using this feature. It's a very important feature. So what we see here is the different site visits that he's gone on. He has associated a contact to that particular site visit. So I'll come in here and I'll take a look at Bo Cannabis, and we'll look at his actual site visit record. After he created his site visit record and he hit save, he then came over here to the right hand side and he said add a contact role, and then when he clicks on that, it'll come in and we'll say here are all the people that are at this particular site or with this particular account. If they are not there, then what he needs to do is he can click on the account name, or he can come up to contacts and he can add the new contact. So it is a little bit labor intensive, but we want to make sure that we're adding the contacts for each one of the site visits. If I come back to my home, so that is very important that we want to take a look at that. And then down here we've got it by account, so we can scroll down, we can take a look at any one of these accounts. Again, if you mouse over and you say hey new cannabis and you click right on the bar, it will, oh sorry, it doesn't do that. You've got to go to the report to be able to see that. The other one that we want to look at is my products. So the products that I've added to this particular site visit. So I'm going to go again into this report that we're looking at, and then here I can see the different products, the product name and the product city, and then the associated with it. So and then the account name. So what we want to do is we're going to come in here. I'll make sure I'll add site visit to this particular report. But if I come in and I go in and we'll go to the this particular account, and then I'll go to the site visit here with the product. Hopefully that one has got the product in there. Is what he's done is after he's gone in and he's physically added the quantity of the products that you have at the there, and then all you need to do is after you've hit the site visit, then we just go add products, and then the products come up, and then I can come in here and I can say, well, which product is it that I happen to be looking for? So here are all the different products, and then I could select that and then put the quantity in there. If it was multiple products, I could then come in and I could search another set of products that I have. And I think it's actually KU Crush. Let's just see here. And then I don't know where the product is, but anyway, well, here we go. So let's say that it is this particular product. We would then select that, say next, and add the quantity. So it's very important that after you finish the site visit and you save it, we add the contact role, and then we also add the products. And you can get those from your notes, from the images that you have. If you took a picture, we can add the file as well. So this is the summary of the homepage. Very important. Again, we come in here, we monitor our site visits last 90 days, what cities we've gone to in the last 90 days, who the managers are, who the people that we've talked to, what locations or what accounts that we've gone to, and then our products that we've looked at on this side of it. And this is all stemming from our ability to add the visit log record, then add the contact role, then add the product associated with it.